Stupendous collection of 500 plus pro-level logo templates. In just 3 simple steps, fill your pockets with Moolah by selling this stupendous collection of 500 plus pro-level logo templates with no extra cost and work. Say goodbye to complicated tools and overpriced designers. Watch this short video below. In description, over 500 plus captivating logo templates, representing 42 plus high-in-demand niches, with private label rights option. Sell and keep every penny. In PSD plus AI plus JPG plus EPS file formats. Editing tutorial videos included. No monthly fees, no pay per design. Let's explore the options you have to get breathtaking beautiful logos for your businesses. You can create a logo on your own, but designing logos is plain difficult. You need creativity and designing skills. Creating a logo to establish brand awareness is very sensitive. You could be spending hours trying to figure out what colors you should use and how to do the designing part. It can be really tiresome. Who wants that? Would you rather spend your time on more important tasks in your business? So, what's the next option? Okay, this seems like a good option. You can hire a pro-level graphic designer and pay him to do the tedious logo making task for you. However, you need to know this is very expensive. See yourself what a decent graphic designer is charging. See the link in description. Pretty expensive, right? You pay through the nose to get quality logos when you need them and watch your bank account being drained. Not to mention it usually takes days for the designer to finish work, only for it to look like anything but your dream design. On top of that, you need to be 100% sure that the logo you are using is 100% copyright free to use as your own trademark. Miss that part and you could easily be in dire straits. Such as an email from a lawyer informing you of a pending lawsuit with an immediate stop and desist letter enclosed. That can be quite scary and something that no one should have to go through. We know both these options suck. It's been a problem for quite some time now. But starting today, those worries can end forever. We take pride in presenting LogoMart. Get your hands on a striking collection of 500 plus pro-level logo templates in 4 different file formats including PSD, AI, JPG and EPS at a price much lower than what expected to be paid for even a single one. Forget about money-sucking graphic designers and tiresome working hours. Now you can build your own logo or your client's logo within 5 minutes only. Fashion logo design, business and consulting logo design, accounting and financial logo design, agriculture logo design, architectural logo design, law logo design, animal logo design, community logo design, art and design logo design, floral logo design, automotive logo design, computer logo design, environment logo design, entertainment and arts logo design, construction logo design, education logo design, industrial logo design, restaurant logo design, food and drink logo design, games logo design, internet logo design, landscaping logo design, medical logo design, photography logo design. Grab full access to LogoMart today for one-time investment only. If you reach this point in the video, you deserve appreciation, and here are the rewards in the link below the video. Do not forget to support us by clicking on the like button, subscribing to the channel, and activating the bell. You have all respect and appreciation, my friend.